The human nervous system is divided into a central and a peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is comprised of two key structures, the brain and the spinal cord. And it is the role of the CNS to process, to make sense of information. The peripheral nervous system, on the other hand, is that part of the nervous system outside of the brain and the spinal cord. And it has two divisions, the afferent and the efferent division. Basically, the afferent division of the peripheral nervous system carries information, carries signals from the external environment or the internal environment, that is the environment of our organs, our viscera, and transmits this information into the CNS for processing. Whereas the efferent division of the peripheral nervous system carries signals, impulses from the central nervous system and transmits this information towards effector organs. It makes the muscles contract, for example. It causes our hair follicles to rise up, etc. The afferent division is further subdivided into three components. The somatic sensory component carries information from our skin, our muscles, and our ligaments, and transmits that information into the CNS for processing. The visceral sensory part of the afferent division, which transmits stimuli from our viscera, from our internal organs, the liver, the spleen, etc., and carries that information again to the CNS. And the special sensory component of the afferent division, which carries signals from our special senses, the eyes, the tongue, our sense of smell, our sense of hearing, and transmits that information, you can guess it, to the CNS yet again for processing. And the efferent division of the peripheral nervous system carries signals from the CNS to effectors in the periphery. The somatic motor component carries information from the CNS into our skin, our muscles, our ligaments, our tendons. And this division causes them to produce a certain effect. For example, the efferent division tells our muscles to contract if initiated so by the CNS. Finally, the autonomic motor component of the efferent division. This is where the popular sympathetic nervous system, also known as our fight or flight response, the parasympathetic division, our rest and digest response causes normal physiologic bodily functions at rest, and the enteric component of the efferent division, which are nerves headed towards our gastrointestinal system, responsible for motility, for digestive secretions, etc.